Hello, welcome. Today we are working on Hey Jude. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned so that we sound good together, and let's get started. There's a printable link down below if you would like to follow along with that. Let me play verse 1 for you first and then we'll do it together. Hey Jude, don't make it bad, because that song make it better. Remember to let her into your home, and you can start to make it better. The strumming pattern for the first verse is just down strums, so let's play right through it. If you can't play B flat yet, then I'm going to ask you to go to the chord shape anyway and keep strumming, because part of making bar chords come out is the muscle memory, and the second part is like building the strength to do this squeeze, and that takes time. So what I would like for you to do now is go to the B flat anyway, even if it sounds like this, that's fine, keep going, because today it'll sound like this and then tomorrow it'll sound even better. But don't let that mute discourage you, and you can do it with a full finger bar or half, whatever's more comfortable for you, but stick to one and continue using it. So let's go straight to verse 1. 1, 2, 3. Hey Jude, don't make it bad, take us that song and make it better. Remember to let her into your home, and you can start to make it better. Hey Jude, don't be afraid, you were made to go out and get hurt. You let her under your skin, and you begin to make it better. Anytime you feel the pain. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe. I'm holding her because she's meowing. She wants attention. There are 2 ways to play the bridge. I'm going to do the easy version first, and then I'll do a more advanced version. Anytime you feel the pain, Hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world upon your shoulder. You know that it's a fool. So that's a more easy version. The more advanced version goes like this. Anytime you feel the pain, Hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world upon your shoulder. So when I hear the recording, I hear a descending line when we have the chorus. So we can kind of mimic that with our ukulele by doing anytime you feel the pain, Hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world. So what I'm doing there is I'm playing B flat, and then I'm curving for the second chord so that my A string is open. So it goes like this. Open. And I'm adding down strums kind of liberally whenever there's going to be a chord change. So right before a new chord, it's kind of nice and graceful to add an up strum. You don't have to do it. It's optional. So let's play to the bridge. 1, 2, ready, Go. Pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world upon your shoulder. Repeat what we just did. Know that it's a fool who plays it cool by making his world a little colder. Now let's do the outro. And we repeat that. Now if you wanted to add the strumming pattern that I was adding there for emphasis, it goes something like this. So let's do a quick play along of the bridge, verse, and outro, the ending. So we'll start strumming on the word in. Let it out and let it in. Okay? Okay, here we go. So let it out and let it in. Hey Jude, begin. I'm waiting for someone to perform. At the seventh. Don't you know that it's just you? Hey Jude, you do. The movement you need is on your shoulder. Na 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 na. Hey Jude. Hey Jude. Now you have all of the pieces to put together, Hey Jude. I hope that you have a lot of fun. If you are sharing these online, use the hashtag so that I can find them. So far, I've seen some excellent performances on Instagram, so thank you so much for using the hashtag.
She loves you.